Hello student, today I will be taking paper second developmental botany, credit third physiology and molecular basis of plant development. In this credit the topic second case study of protoplast culture. Before starting to the protoplast culture, we are known about plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture is the culture of plant cell, tissue and organ in artificially nutrient media under aseptic condition. The basic principle involved in plant tissue culture is the totipotency. Totipotency is the ability of a single cell to divide and produce whole organism. Plant tissue culture is a many-step process. Here involve plant tissue culture media. In this media involve 5 stock solution: macronutrient stock, micronutrient stock, iron stock, vitamin stock, sugar, and adjust the pH of media is 5.6. Explant is a part of plant which is detached from mother plant and used for culture. Now start the protoplast culture. Introduction about protoplast. Protoplast is a living part of plant cell consisting of cytoplasm and nucleus without cell wall. It can regenerate cell wall, grow into a whole plant. It is used in biotechnology, microbiology and pathology for modifying genetic information of a cell. Method of protoplast isolation. In protoplast isolation, need to remove cell wall. Plant cell wall consists primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and middle lamella. Cell wall removed because large molecule cannot pass through the cell wall. Somatic hybridization and genetic manipulation not be done. So we have to remove the cell wall. After removing it, we will get protoplast. 3 methods for the removing cell wall. First one, mechanical method. Second, enzymatic method. And third one is combination of both mechanical as well as enzymatic method. The first, mechanical method. The cell are plasmolysis by kept in 1 molar sucrose. After plasmolysis, cut the cell wall with the help of knife. Cells are cut through cell wall, releasing intact protoplast. The released protoplast separated from damaged one and cell debris. In this diagram shows the stages of plasmolysis. Here shrinking of protoplast and separation of cell wall. Some drawback of such method. This method used for faculated cell, tissue damage and maximum osmotic shrinkage and low viability of protoplast. Therefore, the second method is enzymatic method. In this involve 2 methods. Direct method involve one step process. Second one is indirect method, which is also known as sequential method. Here involve 2-step process. The first one, direct method. The sterilized leaf tissue incubate overnight in enzyme solution, pectinase and cellulose. Mixture filtered through nylon mesh and centrifugation at 600 rpm for 5 minutes. Protoplast form a pellet, then washed with the 3x sorbitol and re-centrifuged. Clean protoplast are pipetted out. Then indirect method, which is also known as sequential method. The cells are isolated from callus or tissue by pectinase enzyme. This cell suspension add cellulose to digest the cell wall. This cellulose prepare in mannitol and adjust the pH 5.4. The mixture is centrifuged for 1 minute. Then clean protoplasts are isolated with the help of pipette. These are present in a pellet. Then some advantages of this enzymatic method. This method, which is used for variety of tissue, shrinkage minimum, cell intact. Therefore, the enzymatic method, which is used for protoplast isolation. Purification of protoplast. Protoplasts are purified by removing undigested material such as debris, damaged protoplast, and enzyme such as cellulose and pectinase enzyme. Remove of debris by filter preparation through the nylon mesh size 100 micron. Enzymes are removed by centrifugation at 600 rpm for 5 minutes. The protoplasts settle down at the bottom. Intact protoplasts separate from damaged one with the help of pipette. So, the protoplast culture, isolated protoplast culture in an appropriate medium to reform cell wall and generate callus. The formation of complete cell with cell wall followed by cell growth. After cell growth, the first division of cell occurs within 2 to 7 days. The callus generate within 1 to 3 weeks. Whole plant regenerate through the process of organogenesis from a callus. Optimal culture condition required for protoplast culture: optimal density, optimal auxin to cytokinin ratio, maintain osmoprotectant, temperature 20 to 28 degrees Celsius, adjust the pH of culture is 5.5 to 5.9, 0.25% casein hydrolysate. Application of protoplast used for metabolic studies such as the photosynthesis, DNA transformation, somatic hybridization, ingesting foreign material, single cell system, cell wall synthesis.